Okay, guys. So data types. Data types is just an object, or you can say everything in Python has a data type. You can say so in numbers, like data types, like in other languages, you must have learned data types like int, float, uh, and complex maybe. So and in those languages like C, you have to specify the data type before input or output. But in Python, you don't have to specify the data type. It specifies itself. Just like a is equals to 5, we have written a is equals to 5, and we print a comma is type of in double inverted. It means it will print as it is. And type a, it is a function. I mean it is a key. Type a, it prints type of a, and you can see the output is int. It means this is int variable. Similarly, 2.5, it is float, and when we print its type, it's float. So this shows the float. Same with complex. You must have learned complex numbers in your high school. So this is complex digit, and its data type is we are asking is instance. It means is it? So yeah, it is true. It's showing true. It means it is complex. It is comparing with complex. This number with this number, they are comparing each other. If it is complex, then it's providing true. Okay, so another data type is boolean. Boolean is true or false. So we use a is equals to true, true with a capital T, and we write print a. And see, you can see the type is bool. It means boolean. Okay, Python strings we'll learn in next